Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can easily replace the sky in an image, right, using Canva. So as you can see here, I have just selected a blank template in the Canva, and the proportionate is 1600 pixel by 900 pixel, the landscape proportion. And now we are going to select the elements from the left side toolbar, and here we are just going to search for sky. Okay, and we are going into photos, and here we can select any image. Okay, I have selected this one, right? And here I'm going to use the background remover on this image. Okay, now we are going to replace the sky, so we are going to select any other sky. Okay, so I'm going to add this image in the same image, and here I'm going to set image as background, and as you can see we have successfully replaced the sky in an image using Canva. If you like this video, then hit the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.